Croeso I Gymru. Welcome to Wales. We have 5 areas of outstanding natural beauty, and the ETC Advisory Council has had a chance to see almost all of them.
I'm so incredibly surprised, delighted, and completely in awe of this beautiful country and how much history and legend, and it's a magical place.
But something else that I find very interesting about Wales is that I have read with my children many different kinds of fantasy books, and when I look at the Welsh language and I recall the language that I found in those books, I'm wondering if they're not just offering Welsh in those books.
The first thing that I've been most impressed by is I think the love and passion that the Welsh people have for their country. It's just the youthful energy, especially in Cardiff, so much youthful energy there. And you know, with the new devolution, it just seems like the country has a nice contemporary feel to it. It has so much to offer for such a small country.
First impressions have to be the people that we've met. Everybody has been so kind and so warm, and hospitality that you just don't see everywhere.
Today we had a great opportunity to see not only a sheep being caught but also being sheared, which was quite a highlight. Also just all the accommodations we've been staying at, just having that really unique experience to kind of wake up in the morning and oh my gosh, I'm staying in a castle for 2 nights was just fantastic.
I've been to England, I've never been to Wales. Diolch yn fawr, Cymru. I especially looked forward to coming to the National Library. It's an amazing place, an enormous resource.
First time I was in Wales, and probably the last time prior to this precise time was 43 years ago. I was surprised to see how lively was Cardiff. You have nothing to envy to any modern capital anywhere in the world. And what I like is the compactness of it, the size of it and the density, and I found it quite lively. It's a very well kept secret.
I think the one really wonderful feature that differentiates Wales is the truly enveloping hospitality. We truly learn through the eyes of the people who are so willing to share. My most favorite, the most memorable visit this time was in St. David's. The peace with St. David's stayed with me for days after I left.
It is an astounding destination. I really had no idea until I actually came here how beautiful it is. 870 miles of coastline. Every cliff, every top has a legend, has a mystery, has a story of shipwrecks and of saints. I'm on castle number 6. There are 641 castles, so I've got a long way to go. Wales is not just castles. It's not just being, the royal tradition and all of that, but it's also the beauty of nature, and it's an incredible destination to behold.
Being here in Wales now for a few days and still having more to experience, I could easily see Rice alumni being here and experiencing it. There are so many opportunities, whether it's looking at the culinary and cuisine and the food and drink of the country, or the castles and the cathedrals. I think that there are so many opportunities here. It's really opened my eyes being here, and I can only imagine the impact that it would have on our travelers.